You guys can see me? Okay. I'm gonna be flying a drone today. This is this tiny red drone. The battery only lasts for about 5 minutes. And how to control it, this is up, this is down, this is spin a bit. And then you can also go like this, forward, backward, left to right. And also, it's getting kind of close to me. I'm gonna put it out here so you guys can see it. Bring it down a bit. And then if you hit this top button right here, it spins around in a circle. Here, you can't see it. Hold on. But, okay, now I think you can see it. Look at it, spins around in a circle. See that, guys? And then you stop it. And this red thing controls where it goes. So, and then if you hold down that button, it goes in a circle like that. And you guys can't see it, so. Okay, here, now I think you guys can see it.
What's
Look,
up, Romanello Show?
You can make it go like that. I don't know. This thing only lasts for 5 minutes again. I already am.
Oh, good. Can I have a copy of it when you're done? Can you send it to me?
Yeah. All right. That was afraid of the drum. And then if we press this bottom button right here, you can just make it move by itself. And then I don't know, that means work. Okay. And then to make it go back down on the ground, you hit this button again, and it just goes down.
Roman, you are so amazingly good at that.
Thanks.
You've had it for a couple of days. I
Okay, I'm gonna try. Okay. This is video about how to fly this mini red drone for starters. Mr. Drone, you knocked the thing over. Mr. Drone is going absolutely crazy in chaos. So I am very sorry, guys. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put him down. Oh God, he turned back on.
Roman, that's so cool. Did you get caught? What did you just say?
It just turned back on somehow.
Ooh, be careful. Do you
Okay.
want to jump in the shower and get your shower done?
And then I'm just gonna turn this off. And then there's batteries that you have to take out. You can take it out like this, just move that, and then take it out. And then when you want to stick it in the right place, and then move it forward. But then if it's at very low battery, which mine's about to basically die, you go over here, and you actually have 2 drone chargers. And then this one's charging right now. Whenever this light turns green, that means it's fully charged. This one is I don't know. This one is almost about to be dead. But while that one's charging, you just plug it in through this hole right here, and that's how to fly this mini red drone. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching How to Fly a Drone. Bye.